Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use Google Drive on Android. You can store files securely and open it or edit them from any device using Google Drive. So to get started with Google Drive, you get 15 GB of space in your drive at no charge. Takes up space in Google Drive and where to buy more space. As you can see, my storage is already full. Now I'm already here at Google Drive. You can find and open Google Drive app and you will see Drive. You'll see files and folders you upload or sync, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and forms you create. You can upload or create files. You can upload files from your phone or tablet or create files in your Google Drive. Now, if you press the plus sign, you can see here folder, upload, scan, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. You can also share and organize files. You can share files or folders so others can preview, edit, or comment on them. To share files from Google Drive, just press a folder you want to share, then just tap share. Just put the email address of the one you wanted to share. You can also change if he's the viewer, commenter, or editor. You can also add a message and just press the send. You're done with it. So just to show you, I'll just open one file. And here I have an Excel file. I can open it and I can edit it if I am an editor. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!